When I came and toured the school originally, the Australia trip had just gotten back, and there was a Australia book sitting in the admissions office. And so I was glancing through it, and I thought that sounded amazing. And then my advisor told me more about it, and I just pretty much had planned on doing the trip since I was a freshman. So it's been on the schedule for a while.
I think I'm the youngest person that's going to Australia, but I don't really notice, except for a few of the other students have had sort of more biology experience, and they're probably a little more prepared, but I'm still really excited.
I try to take a lot of classes that get me into the field rather than into a lab, since I plan on working with fish and game, so maybe get a lot of field experience, especially with this class.
I'm really looking forward to the opportunity to study something that I really love in a different context, in another setting, something that I'm not really familiar with. I'm looking forward to the challenges of that, and also, kind of stepping out of my comfort zone and getting used to something new.
It's kind of more like you're there, you're actually touching it, you're seeing it, rather than being like, oh, this is a picture of this, and being like, oh, okay, I guess that's cool.
I'm kind of afraid of all the deadly things that are in Australia, like the box jellyfish and the cone snail and the funnel spiders.
Basically, never touch the ocean floor, ever. If you're tired, stay away from fangs and colored animals.
I'm pretty terrified about getting super sunburned, or as of recently, getting stung by something, but I am excited. Don't know what to expect really, but I'm very excited.
So I'm actually afraid of cone snails. I'm not really afraid of like sharks or jellyfish or anything like that.
I think I'm really excited to be able to observe those things because I've heard so much about them. Snakes and sharks and stuff like that I think is very it's kind of intimidating, especially if you come from a landlocked state like we do here.
My group is doing the carpet python, so hopefully catch it eating its prey. So that'd be pretty awesome, or the monitor lizard, or maybe two different animals fighting. That'd be cool.
We're doing our video on the Lamington spiny crayfish, so it'll be fun to chase those guys around, the big blue ones, so it'll be fun.
I really want to see a kookaburra, but you want to know why? Because I was studying for a bird quiz today, and their call is hilarious. It's like a cackle. It's like a witch's cackle. It's awesome.
I'm really excited to see kangaroos. I don't know, they've always been an animal that I've really kind of studied a lot just in school and stuff. I've always been really interested in them, and so seeing them, I think, in their natural habitat is going to be really cool. I'm really excited about that.
Just learning more about coral reefs and seeing all of the tropical wildlife in the water is really exciting, and learning more about that and threats to that area is something I have a lot of passion for. So, and also while we're in Lamington National Park, just getting to see that wildlife and experience it.